In today's video, I will walk you through how to use ElevenLabs Voice Changer to sound like anyone. From the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Voice Changer. This is where you'll find the tools needed to transform your voice. After opening the Voice Changer, you'll see two options. You can either upload an existing audio file or record new audio directly within the platform. If you already have a recording you'd like to use, upload the audio file. If not, use the recording feature to capture your voice on the spot. Choose whichever option works best for you, then continue once your audio has been uploaded or recorded. When your audio is ready, move to the panel on the right side of the screen. Here you'll find a collection of available voices that you can use for the transformation. Browse through the list and select the voice you'd like to apply to your recording. After choosing a voice, you'll have access to several settings that allow you to adjust how the transformed voice sounds. The first setting is Stability. Adjust this slider to change how consistent the voice transformation is throughout the recording. Next is the Similarity setting. Move this slider to control how closely the generated voice matches the selected target voice. You'll also see the Style Exaggeration setting. Use this slider to increase or reduce the strength of the selected voice style. Take a few moments to adjust each of these settings until you're happy with the overall sound. Since every voice and recording is different, you may want to make small changes to each slider before deciding on your final settings. If the result isn't exactly what you want, continue adjusting the stability, similarity, and style exaggeration controls until the transformed voice matches your preferences. You can also try selecting different voices from the available collection to compare how each one sounds with your recording. Switching between voices and adjusting the sliders gives you multiple ways to customize the final result. Once you've finished selecting your voice and adjusting the available settings, your voice transformation will be ready using the configuration you've chosen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.